Hello guys, and welcome to a new video. In this video I will show you how to use reference design from Ultra Librarian database. It's uh, it's very simple to use this reference design to inspire for your future project. First time you must to go to the Ultra Librarian website. It's important to have an account for login. If not, you can create very quickly one. I will log in here. You must to hit on the Ultra Librarian sign on the left corner of the page, and after that you must to scroll. You must to scroll to the bottom of the page, and here you have some example of the reference design. We'll browse here for all of the design, and in our case the filter will be Altium because our program is Altium, and we'll try to download, for example, the first model. For some reference design, more formats are available. For this one we have also WorkAd, Altium, and System Capture. We will start to download our reference design for Altium project. I will extract this reference design, and after that I will open the project from the downloads folder. We have this Altium PCB project, and now we have the schematic and the PCB. Directly imported from this Ultra Librarian website, and it's very easy if you want to use in your project and in your design to check this information and the topology and the schematic, and together with the size from the PCB you can check here from the for the dimensions if you want to integrate this PCB inside your design or inside of a housing or something similar. And we switch to the 3D model, and we have everything here, all the details regarding this wireless charging. This is a reference design directly from the microchip websites. It's already tested, and you can order it directly for testing purpose, and you can search for any type of the design here. As we can see, we have a lot of reference design from Maxim, and you also can filter from here. For example, we want to look if we have some reference design from Phoenix contacts, and we have this cable set available. I will download it to see what this reference design contains. I will open it. We have one page with this cable, and I want to check if we have something else. We have only a library for this reference design, but for example from microchip, only this reference design is available for Altium, but we can let here all of the design, and we will take this BeagleBone board, for example. This reference design format is not available for Altium, but we will take this WordCAD. One moment to finish the download. And now I will extract all of the files here. Okay, and I will try to go back to this project, and I will import these WordCAD files to see if it works with this version of Altium Designer. We'll take from here WordCAD. I will add the files. For this project, we have only the schematic available. The PCB is missing, but as we can see, all the components are added in our libraries now. And all of the schematics will appear also in Altium Designer, even if the format was for the workout program. So in this way, it's very easy to use the reference design directly for Altium, and for other project you can import the schematics and the PCB only to take some notice from the design and to use in your new project. I hope this information is very useful for you, and please use anytime this Ultra Librarian website, because it's a good website and this will help you very much in your next project. For the moment, this is all, and I wish you to have a nice day and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.